So what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Very strange because it's almost been like 2 months since I uploaded the last video. I've been having few exams, so I've been totally focused with that. I was not uploading videos, but I'm trying to be regular. I'll be trying my best to put the content for you guys constantly. So what we are going to do today is a very special one. So today we're going to be seeing how can you make a moving image. So previously, if you didn't see the video, we made a video on moving text. So but this time we're gonna do moving image. So this is gonna be a very interesting topic that we are gonna be working on today. So what are we waiting for? Let's just get into today's video. So right here, what I've got is I did open the sample HTML page, and I opened it also in Google. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be typing the code here. And for typing the code, the last time I showed you the tag called the marquee tag. So what marquee tag does is basically it helps for implementing the resource body, which you can build on. Like you can choose the directions of the marquee tag on which direction you can do the marquee tag. But today we're not going to be focusing too much on the marquee tag. We are going to be using the marquee tag. The marquee tag basically lets the object or any variable move basically to the right side. So today what we are going to do is we are going to be testing off that. So what we are going to do first is we are going to be, so first over here I got the basic HTML skeleton going, only the HTML and the body. Now we're going to do a classic marquee tag. So we got this marquee going on over here. So the last time what we did was we just typed something. So we will type HTML like that. We'll just type like that and we'll just save this. We'll open the page over here and refresh it, and we can see the HTML over here. We'll go back over here. We'll just go like that. So what that does is we just fix the spelling error and boom, and just load it in. And as you can see, oh, I'm sorry, it's not to the right. From that side it's to the right. So it basically moves that side, and I don't know how is it from your perspective. For me it's like the right. So anyway, what we are gonna do right now is we got text going on over here, but what we really need is an image. So we're gonna just open up Google Images. So we're gonna go to images, and in image what we are gonna do is we're gonna search for some classic nature. Oops, spelling error. Okay, anyway, we got some nature images over here. So what we are gonna do is go over here and yeah, let's see an image. Like we got this image, this image, this image. We got a lot of images. So we're gonna take this image, this random image. So instead of this HTML thing over here, we want this image. So how can we do that? So previously I have uploaded how to upload an image to your website. So what we are gonna do from Google, that's a very good thing. So if you have not seen that, please do see that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the inspect option over here. It will follow in this inspect elements. You'll see a lot of stuff over here. And over here what we're gonna do is if you hover over this, you'll get a code like this. So you're gonna go there and copy the element only. Usually there was one more option. If you're using the old version, there will be one more option, but we are going to be copying the element right now, and we are going to be going out over here, and we will first just paste this alone over here, and we'll just save this over here. And if you do it, you can see the whole thing over coming out with the HTML. I just want the image to come. So what we are going to do is very simple. We're going to cut the HTML down, and we are going to save this. And now what will happen is just the image coming along. So this will also work if you put it outside the marquee, but to be safe, it sometimes does lag. That's how this is working. Sometimes it does lag a lot. So what we are going to do for like the safety purpose, we are going to make it inside the mark to tag. So for getting it inside, just need to paste the closing tag over here, and you will basically get a moving image right over here. So that's a very quick tutorial of making how to do a moving image. This is like the expansion of the last two videos, the uploading image to your website from Google and moving image, moving text. So this is what we learned today. So hopefully you found this informational, and also we got coding with Joshua Discord right now. So if you want to join, you can be a part of that. You can be interactive, and you can join in my Discord. I'll be sending tips over there. You can also see more videos and backstages. And yeah, my set of tours coming.